Welcome to ECC for Leadership in Organization. Instructor Virgilio Dec Barcena. Lesson 3. Leadership Styles. Autocratic. Leader makes decisions without reference to anyone else. High degree of dependency on the leader. Can create demotivation and alienation of staff. May be valuable in some types of business where decisions need to be made quickly and decisively. Democratic. This encourages decision-making from different perspectives. Leadership may be emphasized through the organization. It may be consultative. This is the process of consultation before decisions are taken. Persuasive. The leader takes decision and seeks to persuade others to that decision is correct. Laissez-faire. This style is the let it be leadership. The leadership responsible are shared by all. Can be very useful in business where creative ideas are important. Can be highly motivational as people have control over their working life. Can make coordination and decision making time consuming and lacking in overall direction. Relies on good teamwork. Relies on good interpersonal relations. Let's continue with the different theories of leadership. Transformational leadership theory. This theory promotes a style of guidance that emphasizes motivating employees and creating a vision and encouraging them to fulfill it. The fundamental skills of a transformational leader includes being able to mobilize employees, inspire them, and boost their morale. This is a management style, transactional leadership theory. This is a management style that uses rewards and punishments to motivate employees to meet goals and maintain performance standards. It's based on the idea that employees are motivated by extrinsic rewards, just such as money or recognition, and that they'll do a good job to receive them. Next, we have coaching leadership theory. This is a leadership style where a leader helps their team members develop as individuals through one-on-one communication. It's an effective style in today's business environment because it can improve individual and team performance, enhance employee engagement, improve communication and collaboration, and contribute to talent retention. Some principles of effective coaching for leaders include creating a safe and supportive environment, working within the coach's agenda, facilitating and collaborating, advocating self-awareness, promoting learning from experience, modeling what you can coach. That's the end for lesson 3.